Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today was amazing volatility in the market. We have amazing analysis and most of the traders banked today, recorded pips today. Amazing day today. All right, so let's dig into the system. Just before that, today is 25th of February, Thursday 2021. All right, so let's dig into the system. Let me share with you today's analysis and the moving forward opportunities, right? So just to recap traders, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and in the New York session. And all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training session, and all the analysis instantly broadcast in the analysis section. And once the opportunity is raised according to that analysis, I broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary, and I also provide updates in the analysis section. So based on today's analysis, you can see my traders bank recorded pips, that's 480 pips, and I think one or two trade is still open and still is in profit. So I'll go through all the open position and we'll explain to you which analysis he banked those pips and still banking it. Before that, let's move to the three pairs, talk about the opportunities. Right, so let's move on to the Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD, let's dig into the 4-hour. As I mentioned you yesterday analysis review, if you haven't seen that video, the link is given in the video description. Watch the yesterday when I analyze market live. So yesterday you can see the market respected here, and as I mentioned you, the price looked like a developed a bull flag pattern and broken. So today we had a nice beautiful trades, long pullback, as I mentioned you, because we're using intraday system. Based on that, we have taken pullbacks all the day. And at the New York session afterwards in the evening, after I believe after London close, we have taken a short trade, bank beautiful pips counter. So we've taken both long and short. So let me share with you the whole day history. You can see this is the yesterday, as I mentioned you, we are looking at pullback. So this pullback I mentioned in the just before London Open. Then we banked beautiful pips around 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And then I did another analysis at the New York session. Then we're looking another pullback. And we bank another beautiful pips as soon as the price is to the previous high. And then we did another analysis because the price retest, create double top in intraday. Price develop a sideways market. And here you go. You can see we had a counter short trade, bank beautiful pips. Right now you can see here we price nicely hit and developing another pattern. So we had a beautiful. So moving forward, what I can see here, if the price is going to stay above this level 21,690, which is the weekly, this is the daily support level now. And if the price, technically if you look at price action, price broken and retest and continue, that's what exactly we're looking into it. And if you look at here, if you can see price respected previously and false breakout, another possibility, if the price gonna stay above that level, then we're gonna be taking a long trade here. And if the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short trade tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we watch 4-hour, but we analyze market in intraday here. This is our own system which help us to recognize the patterns and entries and exit. So we had a beautiful trade this morning. So tomorrow we'll let you know about this analysis. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, if you look at, let me open the 4-hour. You can see this is the yesterday, as I mentioned you, price was at this level. I did live analysis for you guys. So as I mentioned, if the price gonna stay above that, then we're gonna be taking a pullback long, which we did, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards we also taken short, as I mentioned you yesterday, if the price gonna break, then probably gonna be taking a short trade. So literally price nicely, and we had a beautiful pullback short trades, and price nicely hit 140,000 area. Still there's a possibility price might gonna hit this level, and then possibility, because if you look at price came back to this channel, so we'll see tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you look at price action, the price has broken the recent, you can see this low, so we're expecting another pullback. That's one possibility. Another possibility, if you look at here, 140,000, big psychological number. If the price stay above, then possibility of another pullback, long reversal. And if the price gonna break, then probably gonna be taking a short trade here. As I said to you guys, we're using this intraday system. This help us. You can see here. Today we had most of the pairs we had amazing volatility. So what we're looking here, let me share with you guys this morning when I opened this one and short trade here. So this morning I did this analysis and then bang beautiful pips, and I also did analysis straight away, another triangle pattern, because as soon as the price progress, we broadcast that information instantly. And based on the second analysis, you can see we had another breakout. We had a pullback and then triangle pattern breakout. Then I did another analysis at the New York session. This was the breakout opportunity. We were looking into it, and you can see the price nicely broken and hit to the first target. Bang, beautiful pips. So later on, if you look at here, I did another analysis at the New York session because the price was a reversal. And I said to you guys that possibility in 4 hours the price might gonna break that major support, and we probably gonna be looking at a nice short trade here. Afterwards, what happened here? You can see here, breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. Beautiful trade. So that's what exactly we analyze in 4 hours, and then in intraday, most of time taking short trades here, pullback, and that's what happened. Okay, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. Let's move into the 4 hour. Okay, this is one of the trade was open yesterday, as you seen it, and we banked beautiful pips. Let's move into the 4 hour. Let's see here. Okay, so yesterday, as I mentioned you, the price has broken this support yesterday, and I mentioned you that we're going to be taking a pullback short trade here as long as the momentum is bearish. And we banked beautiful pips as one of the trade was opened, and banked beautiful pips this morning. And at the New York session, we have taken a long trade here, banked beautiful pips. So I'm going to show you here. So if you look at the whole journey of dollar CAD, you can see this was the analysis I did yesterday when I was broadcasting this video, that we were looking at pullback. As soon as I finished my recording video, so I did this analysis that we're looking at pullback short, and we had a beautiful short trade based on that, beautiful pips. And then I also did another analysis. This was the analysis, I think this was in the morning. So bank, and this is the I believe this is the morning analysis pullback. This was the last night pullback trade, short trade here. And then I did another analysis at the New York section today about the counter long trade, and I give reason that the price developed a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Based on that, you can see here we banked beautiful pips on dollar CAD counter long trade, as I mentioned, and most of the traders enjoyed dollar CAD long trade. I said to you guys, as long as the momentum is bullish, you should be banking beautiful pips. We had an amazing trade. So you can see here, so tomorrow what we're looking here, as you can see, the price has broken this this is, by the way, as a weekly support resistance now, and if the price gonna stay above that, then I'm still expecting my gonna continue, or if the price break, then probably gonna be taking short trade. As I mentioned you, we're looking in an intraday system. This system help us. We have our own proprietary momentum indicator. That indicator, as long as the market structure broken, so you can see here pullback, long pullback, we all pull back based on the 4 hour. Once we define the bias, then intraday system we keep taking a pullback long trade. So you can see here, so tomorrow I'll let you know if the price gonna stay above, we're gonna be keep taking a pullbacks long, and if the price gonna break, then probably gonna be taking a short. And if you look at here, You can see here price nicely respected this level, previously almost this level and this level. So let's see. So technically I'm looking at this breakout pattern. So let's see tomorrow. We'll let you know. As I said to you, we take in trades over intraday. All right, so let's move on to the today's trades. The 480 pips, and most of them beautiful pips. And I'll explain to you. This was the trade that was open yesterday. As I said to you guys, I'll give you update today. So this was the short trade and bank 58 pips, because this is the level we consider oversold channel, and he banked beautiful, I think 58 pips. And then he took a two long trade on counter long trade on dollar CAD, bank 115 pips, and this was also 115 pips, but he put a stop loss 126, which price nicely came back and hit the stop loss. This one is out. And if you look at here, this was the trade, beautiful counter long trade. The reason why we given, first of all, the price was at the major support level, and if you look at here, and the price develop head and shoulder pattern. You can see here head and shoulder pattern. And as also mentioned, I think I've already mentioned a couple of my previous videos, when we consider trend changing. So this was the pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Afterwards, you can see here 1 2 3 beautiful. So he was asking when to target profit. I said as long as the price momentum stay bullish, you keep in it. And as I mentioned to him, my trader, that this would be the target. I'll share with you the dollar CAD and the monthly. This was the target. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the monthly target. All right, so pound Swiss franc, he opened a 3 trade because that was a high probability trade, and 2 trades bank more than 100 pips, and I believe one of these trades is still open, and that was the pound Swiss franc. Let me explain to you why he opened it, why he keep holding it. So as I said to you, we look at the pure price action. We have this rejection. As soon as the price broke on this one, he kept it, and we're expecting to price might going to hit 126 or at least this level. So I think his profit target is 126. So let's see, I'll let you know tomorrow about this trade. And first of all, let me share with you the history of the whole journey of pound Swiss franc. You can see here consolidation, breakout long trade. Afterwards, this one breakout, short trade, and you can see a beautiful short trade based on this analysis. Again, as I said to you guys, we're watching 4 hour, and based on the 4 hour, if you look at in even a live commentary, live analysis, I mentioned that you can see here, I've already put these signs here, head and shoulder pattern, and that's what I explained to trader. We might be expecting a nice short trade here based on the 4 hour. As you can see here, 1 2 3. We also announce all these trade. If somebody missed this journey, they can rejoin that journey. So you can see we had a beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc, still holding 100 pips. So we have recorded 480 pips still in the bank, and 106 pips. All these trades copies directly to our platform, our accounts through MT4, through Fix API, or through Trade Copier. All right, so that's it. So you can see here 480 pips, and still one trade is open. And let me share with you the pairs. You can see that the whole pair, whole journey, all of the analysis. We had such a beautiful break, trade. This one counter short trade. You can see beautiful on Aussie dollar. You can see we had 27 best analysis. All of them you can see banking pips. We had amazing day today. Most of the traders really enjoyed it today. Okay, so this is the Euro USD, pretty straightforward. As I said to you, as an intraday, we look at in 4 hour. You can see here long. In the morning we were long, and afterwards we were short on let me see. Yeah, so you can see here in the evening we were short, in the morning we were long. So let me make it such a way so at least you can see. Okay, yes, now it's better. Okay, so in the morning we were long, beautiful, you can see here. In the evening we were short, beautiful. Same on pound dollar, long, and then later on long, and then in afternoon short trade here. Same thing on dollar CAD, you can see here short trade here. This was the analysis I made yesterday, last night. Based on that short trade, this was the analysis in the morning, short trade, and this is the counter long trade this afternoon, and bang, beautiful pips. So you can see here all of these analysis, beautiful. This was a pretty straightforward pound Swiss franc, a long, and then afterwards short trade here. So you can see we have trades both ways, and we enjoyed being an intraday. It's very amazing, to find those opportunities and bank beautiful pips. All right, guys. So I have a lot of analysis, but if you would like to see all the other analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support alongside with the 4-hour analysis, or even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. As I'm keep telling, we provide coaching and trading with the live market, because I believe no matter how many pips we made it, this one, that's not going to help you. The only way is going to help you when you see it live at the time when we analyzing it and we banking those pips. When you see it in real time, that's what you're going to understand why we taking those trades, why we analyzing it, how we analyzing it. And that's, we believe that the practical Forex coaching and training through live market, even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you're going to bank beautiful pips and you're going to develop your trading skills very effectively. Or even if you're an experienced trader, you have seen that everything is a price action here, and for you're going to be really enjoying it, because we have a lot of professional traders. They're really enjoying it, especially entries and exit, and they keep banking those pips. It's a pretty straightforward, guys. So most welcome. If you want to join my fast growing trader community, most welcome to join my platform. And my availability calendar is also, link is also given in the video description. So feel free to book free one-to-one consultation, even if you want to learn Forex trading, or if you want to discuss your Forex trading challenges, or even if you are experienced trader and would like to know how you can bank those pips, most welcome. Book, that's completely free. I'm not gonna make any sales pitch. This is purely because price action and practical platform. We train people, and whoever makes good pips here, we also arrange trading funds for them. So okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.